Okay, you guys, so I got a package. Oh, it's from Awake. Okay. So, right now we just playing 2K. Let me show you guys my build. I'm running with one of my homies, Jay, Money Man Finesse. This is my build, you guys. It's my name, shooting guard, 6'6", 208 pounds. Inside out, high flying slasher. You know me, we gotta get the dunk on 90. Driving layup 75, close shot 75. Last year I had driving layup on like 80, 85, close shot on what? I think my close shot was on 99. That's why I was making all the easy layups. So I left the driving dunk on 90 this year. My shooting on 92, mid-range on 82. Right now it's on 80, 70, which is pretty decent. I just dropped a 34-point game. Ball handle, I raised this up just to see 86, and then we got speed with ball with 80. I need to have some dribble animations before I get my shot off. Perimeter defense on 82. We got a little bit of interior defense. I don't care about steals because I'm not stealing it. And then we got all of this up, 90, 80, 85. We're going to get that up soon. All right, so back to this. Jay, go ahead, go by the door. You still here, Jay? All right, so boom. The package is here. I wonder how I'm gonna open this shit. Some keys. Ugh. Ain't gonna lie. I need some scissors. God damn. Or we can just do that. Boom! You guys, the package I've been waiting on. Damn, my shit is not focused. Focus, baby. What the hell? Why it's not focusing? One of these videos is not breaking. I had to stop recording because my shit was boom. Jay, I'm waiting on you. So boom, we got the pair. This is the pink pair supposedly. Is this a sticker? Okay. You know what I'm gonna do? You know me. Boom. Put this on this side. It's not even what you call it though. Boom. It's probably not even, but that's okay. So we got more stickers. Boom. Brooklyn, Manhattan, Queens, the Bronx, Staten Island, Awake, New York, Jordan Jumpman right there. Awake, Jordan, New York, 23. Boom, you see we got this on the paper. Since I've been seeing the pair release, or not the pair release, since I've been seeing the pair's first images, I low-key wanted these. I low-key wanted the black and blue ones more than anything, but knowing that the pink pair is more limited to the Awake store, it's kind of dope. Which, these ain't bad from the camera. Me looking behind the camera is still not bad. You do have a lot of tumbled leather here. Got the A right there. You can see the 3M on the tongue. You got Sway right here. What's on the inside? Let's say Awake New York Nike. You got the 2-3 right there on the side. Nike Air on the back, on the booty, the heel. Behind here on this one, we got Air Jordan. This is a size 10. A weight right there on the bottom. Nike. Pull out the other pair. Okay. And we got red and white laces. It already come with pink laces. There go the hang tag right there. Boom.